Discovering Inner Tranquility Amid Daily Challenges, a Journey Through Buddhist Wisdom. Understanding inner tranquility is akin to discovering a serene oasis within oneself, a refuge from the constant barrage of daily life. This serene state of being not only enhances our daily experiences but also contributes significantly to our overall well-being. It's the art of finding calmness and contentment amidst life's storms. Exploring the roots of daily challenges is crucial for maintaining mental health. These challenges, whether stemming from work, relationships, or internal conflicts, can significantly impact our mental state. Recognizing and addressing the sources of these stressors is the first step towards cultivating a more peaceful and resilient mind. Buddhism offers a path to inner peace through its basic principles, emphasizing the importance of mindfulness, compassion, and the understanding of impermanence. By adopting these principles, individuals can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease, leading to a profound sense of inner tranquility and fulfillment. Learning to recognize and acknowledge our emotions without judgment is a pivotal skill in achieving inner peace. It involves understanding that emotions are transient and don't define us. This practice encourages a healthier relationship with our emotional world, paving the way for a more balanced and peaceful existence. The role of mindfulness in cultivating a peaceful mind cannot be overstated. It teaches us to stay present, aware, and fully engaged with our current experience, without being overwhelmed by the chaos around us. This practice is instrumental in developing a sense of calm and balance, regardless of external circumstances. Developing a meditation practice can seem daunting to beginners, yet it's a cornerstone for achieving inner tranquility. Start with short, daily sessions where you focus on your breath. This simple act can serve as a gateway to deeper mindfulness, helping you to cultivate a peaceful mind amidst life's inevitable chaos. The art of detachment offers a powerful tool for viewing life's challenges from a distance. By learning to observe our experiences without getting emotionally entangled, we can navigate our daily struggles with greater ease and equanimity. This perspective fosters a serene mind, even when the world around us feels tumultuous. Embracing impermanence is a liberating practice that encourages us to find peace in change. Understanding that nothing in life is static helps us to release our grip on the need for control. This acceptance invites a sense of calm, allowing us to flow with life's ever-changing nature rather than resisting it. Cultivating compassion towards oneself and others is a transformative act. It involves recognizing our shared human experience, including our vulnerabilities and imperfections. By fostering an attitude of kindness and understanding, we pave the way for genuine connections and a more peaceful heart. Living in the present moment is a potent antidote to anxiety. The power of now teaches us to anchor ourselves in the current experience, steering our minds away from ruminating on the past or worrying about the future. This practice of mindfulness enriches our lives with a profound sense of peace and contentment. Applying Buddhist teachings to overcome anger and frustration begins with understanding the impermanent nature of emotions. By acknowledging that anger is a transient state, one can learn to observe it without attachment, leading to a more peaceful response to life's irritants, transforming how we react to provocation. The practice of loving-kindness meditation fosters a profound sense of inner tranquility. It encourages us to extend feelings of goodwill and compassion first to ourselves and then outwardly towards others. This ripple effect of positivity not only soothes our own spirits but also heals relationships and builds a more empathetic world. Finding balance through the middle path involves steering clear of extremes. Indulgence and asceticism both lead away from peace. Buddhism teaches that moderation in all aspects of life, from consumption to entertainment, is key to maintaining mental equilibrium and fostering a serene mind in the midst of life's inevitable ebbs and flows. The importance of community and support on the journey to inner peace cannot be overstated. Surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals who share a commitment to tranquility and growth provides a safety net of understanding and encouragement. This shared journey amplifies the individual quest for peace, making the path less solitary. Integrating mindfulness into daily activities transforms mundane tasks into moments of serenity. Whether it's washing dishes or walking to work, paying attention to the present moment without judgment elevates these activities to acts of meditation. This constant practice embeds a sense of calm into the fabric of everyday life, offering a steady stream of tranquility. Overcoming the illusion of self is a transformative journey towards universal peace. Recognizing our interconnectedness with everything around us dissolves the boundaries that separate us from true tranquility. This realization fosters a profound sense of unity with the universe, enabling a deeper, more meaningful peace that transcends individual concerns. Ethical living plays a crucial role in achieving mental tranquility. By aligning our actions with our core values, we cultivate a life of integrity and harmony. This alignment reduces inner conflict and fosters a sense of peace that permeates our being, influencing our interactions with others and the world around us. Discovering joy in simplicity and minimalism can lead to profound inner peace. In a world where excess and materialism often overwhelm, choosing simplicity allows us to focus on what truly matters. This shift in perspective brings clarity, reduces stress, and opens our hearts to the simple beauty of existence. Navigating life's challenges with equanimity is a testament to inner strength and peace. Equanimity allows us to face difficulties with a calm mind and a steady heart, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. This balanced response to life's ups and downs is essential for maintaining tranquility amidst chaos. The transformative power of gratitude in cultivating inner peace cannot be overstated. Acknowledging the good in our lives, even in difficult times, shifts our focus from lack to abundance. This shift fosters a positive mindset that nurtures peace, joy, and contentment, making gratitude a powerful tool in the quest for tranquility. Harnessing the strength of patience in facing life's obstacles is a profound practice. Patience isn't about passivity, it's a dynamic process of actively waiting with a calm mind. This virtue transforms our approach to challenges, enabling us to meet them with grace rather than frustration, fostering a serene mental landscape. Diet and physical well-being play a critical role in achieving mental tranquility. What we consume and how we treat our bodies can elevate our mental state, creating a harmonious balance between mind and body. Embracing a diet that nourishes the body supports a foundation for a peaceful mind, underscoring the interconnectedness of our physical and mental health. Setting boundaries is crucial for inner peace. Learning to say no is an act of self-respect and preservation, allowing us to prioritize our well-being and maintain our mental tranquility. It empowers us to manage our energy and time effectively, ensuring that we don't deplete our resources on unworthy causes or relationships. Nature serves as a profound teacher in the quest for living a peaceful life. Its rhythms and cycles remind us of the natural flow of life and death, teaching us to embrace change and find solace in the constancy of transformation. Engaging with nature encourages us to slow down and harmonize with the world around us. In a world bombarded with noise, the healing power of silence becomes ever more valuable. Silence offers a sanctuary for the mind, allowing us to reconnect with our inner self and the subtle layers of our consciousness. This practice of seeking quiet spaces can lead to profound insights and a deeper sense of tranquility. Understanding suffering as a path to liberation might seem counterintuitive at first glance. However, it's through acknowledging and facing our sufferings that we begin to untangle the knots of discomfort in our lives. This acceptance allows us to move from a place of avoidance to a stance of active engagement and transformation. Learning to let go of control is a profound lesson in achieving inner peace. The illusion of control often leads us into a spiral of anxiety and frustration when life inevitably unfolds differently than we planned. Embracing the unpredictable nature of existence opens us up to the beauty of spontaneity and serenity. The significance of daily rituals cannot be understated in maintaining inner calm. Whether it's a morning cup of tea enjoyed in silence or a brief evening walk, these rituals act as anchors, grounding us in the present moment. They offer a sense of stability amidst the chaos of daily life. The synergy between physical exercise and mental tranquility is a remarkable phenomenon. Engaging in regular physical activity not only strengthens the body but also clears the mind. It acts as a natural stress reliever, releasing endorphins that boost our mood and overall sense of well-being. Confronting fears directly is an essential step towards achieving inner peace. Fear often holds us back from living fully, trapping us in a cycle of avoidance and anxiety. By facing our fears head-on, we dismantle their power over us, paving the way for a life filled with courage and tranquility. Forgiveness is not just an act of compassion towards others, it's a profound step towards healing ourselves. Holding on to grudges binds us to the past, preventing the flow of inner peace. By choosing to forgive, we release these chains, allowing ourselves to move forward with lighter hearts and a serene mind. Creative outlets offer a unique form of meditation, engaging our minds in a flow state that silences the chatter and connects us to the moment. Whether through painting, writing, or music, these activities harness our inner creativity as a pathway to tranquility, offering a refuge from the noise of everyday life. The quest for inner tranquility is intricately linked to the quality of our sleep. A restful night's sleep acts as a reset button for the mind, clearing the debris of the day's stress and grounding us in calmness. Prioritizing sleep is prioritizing peace, laying the foundation for a serene day ahead. Skepticism towards spiritual practices often acts as a barrier to discovering their benefits. However, by keeping an open mind and experimenting with these practices, one may find unexpected paths to peace. This exploration can lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and the world, revealing the tranquility that lies within acceptance and openness. The interconnectedness of all beings is a fundamental concept that teaches us compassion and empathy, fostering a sense of peace that transcends individual experiences. Recognizing this interconnectedness allows us to feel a part of something larger, easing our sense of isolation and nurturing a profound inner calm that is both humbling and grounding. In our digital age, the mindful use of technology becomes crucial in preserving inner tranquility. It's about engaging with devices intentionally, limiting distractions that fragment our attention. This practice helps us create a space where peace can flourish, using technology as a tool for enhancement rather than a source of constant interruption. The challenge of maintaining a serene mind amidst a consumerist society is formidable. It requires recognizing and resisting the external pressures to constantly desire more. By focusing on simplicity and the essentials, we can shield our inner peace from the relentless bombardment of materialistic values, finding contentment in what we truly need. Learning from spiritual leaders offers invaluable insights into achieving inner peace. Their lives, rich with discipline and dedication to mindfulness, illuminate the path for us. By studying their teachings and practices, we can uncover practical strategies for navigating life's tumultuous waters, anchoring ourselves in tranquility amidst the chaos. Embarking on a journey of self-discovery is integral to cultivating inner tranquility. It's about peeling back the layers of our being, confronting our shadows, and embracing our light. This process, though challenging, leads to a profound understanding of our true selves, paving the way for lasting peace within. Embracing death as a part of life is essential for achieving ultimate peace. It reminds us of the impermanence of our existence, encouraging us to live more fully and with gratitude. By accepting death, we free ourselves from the fear of the unknown, finding peace in the natural cycle of life and the continuity it represents.